Hello guys, welcome to another video on coinism. Today's video we're talking about Ethereum. So as you can see on my screen, Ethereum is doing something very nice. And what we normally do in this channel is we trade with the smart money concept. So first of all, what we do is we try to see how the retailers are looking at the market and how the smart money guys are looking at the market. So first of all, we'll be drawing our normal support resistance like the retailers. Also, we'll be doing our trend line just like the retailers. Then we'll be going maybe we'll be going from the daily time frame to the 4-hour time frame. So you see that these setups are always the same across all time frames. So first of all, what I want to do is I expect this market to break above this trend line just for liquidity sake, just to push retailers out of the market so that the big guys will have a free risk-free trade you get. So I expect this price to push up a bit towards this region before going back down. The funny thing about smart money concept is if you say let me say you predict something, okay, this is a support, okay, it's gonna go up. Sometimes or most times it usually goes up, but first of all there are tons of liquidity around the bottom of the support that need to be taken out. So like this area, there's a tons of liquidity, not really big like this, but around some area where stop losses are around some area. There are tons of stop loss around those areas. So smart money will tend to look at those areas as areas where they want to come in, maybe check at one of the other blocks. Yeah, let's see this other block maybe where they will be really looking at. So the other block is something like sorry, let me remove that. It's something like let me call it demand or supply stuff for those who don't really know, but it's something more than demand and supply. So that's the place where the retailers or sorry, the smart money people are really looking at. Also, there's another block here. So the thing is you do is after this breakout, you don't just okay, oh, other block, you said no, you wait a bit, maybe you go to the lower time frame, the daily, sorry, the 4-hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes time frame. If you see a break of structure after retesting either of these other blocks, so you see a break of structure, something like this, maybe it went up to this one, create something like this, then good, this is a break of structure. So you can say, oh, okay, not bad, I'm going in. So something like that. So also let's do some other things. Okay, so as you can see here, the price created like almost like a double bottom at this point. Maybe if I go down to a 4-hour time frame, you see something very clear. You know this candlestick here, this growth candlestick here. 4-hour time frame, it would be like up to like 4 or 5 candlesticks, I would say 6 candlesticks. So it to be very broad to see. You see that there is something like almost like almost like a double bottom. So buyers came into this market. Yeah, sure. That's when you saw this whole great rejection. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see this whole rejection this week. This longer means buyers came into this market, but because of the creation of liquidity that has been created by the buyers, there's tons of stop loss around this area that needed to be taken out by smart money concept people. So they took out our this thing we are not rich like them. So they took out our stop losses, they could be the liquidators, they pushed back the price back up. And forget the outgoing candlestick is saying we might later end up at either this one or two you get. So let me go down before I go down to a 4-hour time frame. So after this movement upward, you may see something downward here, just to fill out our inefficiencies. You can see one inefficiency here. There's one major inefficiency that need to be filled. Yeah. So after I feed this inefficiency, I expect prices to reject from this other block. You get from this other block. Yes. You can see today I'm using just the body of the other block. I can down a bit. Let me zoom out a bit. You can see there are tons of inefficiency at this position. You can see there are tons of inefficiency. I only zoomed out. That's not today. That's not for this video today. Okay, so let's get out to a 4-hour time frame. Let's see what we can see. Okay, guys. So we can see something very nice here. So nice. I said that, and this was almost for me a double bottom. So you can see, guys. You can see how after this late short consolidation, you can see this consolidation. You see price test this stuff. So people say, oh, buy. People are selling from this thing too. Are selling from this trade line. Skip the trade line. So the price came down back, liquidate, guys. So I expect prices to push back up to liquidate. So I expect prices to push back up just to liquidate the guys upward. Okay, you can also see from this inefficiencies. Let me zoom in a bit. It looks somehow not really inefficient here, but on the daily it can look really nice. So you can see something like, okay, that need to be feed out here. This not really big, but it's something inefficient that need to be filled out. So we expect prices to fill this stuff out. So guys, if this was very helpful, I want you guys to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section below for more videos and more updates. Thanks, guys.